know who we're talking about, right?
And I feel for you, hindi na natin patatagalin pa.
Yes!
Please welcome on stage Jollibee's latest brand ambassador for Cheesy Bacon Mushroom Yum, James Reed!
Hi guys! Breathe, Lisa, breathe.
Nawala ako.
Wala na yung host natin.
Okay.
Sige, upo tayo para hindi ka, let's sit down, Jane. Para medyo my partner can recover. How are you, James? How are you doing?
Great, amazing. Thank you guys.
Alright, well, Risa takes 5 seconds to recover. James, how does it feel to be part of the Jollibee family? Una-una.
I'm so proud to be part of the Jollibee family. Also, like, besides being delicious, it's always so fun working with Jollibee, so that's really the best part.
He's just right and fitting to be, the brand ambassador for Jollibee Cheesy Bacon Mushroom Yum. Parang total, lahat ng gusto mo,
Yeah.
nandun na.
That's a personal thing you're saying.
Yeah.
You're saying on their behalf.
I'm trying to relate,
Right,
di ba?
right,
Pero
right.
pinagsama-sama lahat ng paborito mo
Yeah.
sa isang bagay. And this is such an exciting project for you too. That you're sharing with your fans, di ba?
Oh, and not only that, you love Jollibee and then yung partner mo pa, di ba, kasama mo. How does that feel that you're working alongside?
Of course, it's more fun. I have Nadine by my side,
Ano daw? Narinig ka?
It's more fun to have Nadine by my side.
Yes.
What do you like best about it? Let's go back to Cheesy Bacon Mushroom Yum. What do you like best about it?
For me, I love bacon.
Bacon. You can't go wrong with bacon.
The combination of bacon, cheese, and mushroom, it's perfect. So that's why it's so good.
Did you have one earlier bago lumabas? We have a lot backstage.
Backstage, yes, we have a lot.
Sarap!
And how do you like, I know you said it's comfortable working with Nadine, pero just quickly, what are her qualities that, stand out when it comes to Nadine?
I think everyone knows. She's really thoughtful. She's really kind. Also, she's very energetic.
Yeah.
Very energetic, yes.
Yan talaga ang mga Filipinas, di ba? Very thoughtful, malambing. And you like that about her? A lot.